Welcome to the Factory Help channel. Oil Injected Screw Compressor. Always reliable. Tough, compact, low maintenance. Heavy-duty inlet filter. Patented compression element. Multi-stage oil separation. High-performance oil cooling. Air treatment, water separator, oil and particle filters. Oil Injected Screw Compressor Desiccant Dryer. Electric motor, screw air end, oil filter, oil cooler, oil separator, oil tank, control valve, air intake filter, control tubes, oil cooler, cooling fan, customized frame, vibrations dampers, custom electrical interface, confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.